everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here just a few seconds. I just want to wish you guys Merry Christmas. Thanks so much for being a part of my channel this year. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, giving it a thumbs up. I'm truly grateful. So before the new year, I just have to quickly do this hairstyle to show you guys how you can actually achieve the statement hairband for the holidays. And also you can do this in different colors. Maybe for the new year you can do something shimmery and shiny like silver or gold. So this one is red because it's Christmas. So hope you enjoy this tutorial. Fast, it's quick and it's elegant. Thanks so much for watching. Now let's go to the tutorial in proper. Bye. See you.